Dear students and viewers, welcome back to my class. Interestingly, there is an announcement for another season of TET examination for higher secondary. Aspirants can stay tuned to my channel and learn grammar. I'll be updating many things on different types of grammar. Presently, I'm doing narration, and today also I'm going to continue with narration on assertive sentences. So stay tuned, and if you think my channel is helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel and keep me supported so that I can bring you more updates on grammar. So without delay, let's move into the class. I'll see you there in the class. Welcome back, students. Let us talk on the rules of changing speeches from direct to indirect. Direct and indirect speech is also called narration. Narration can be found working with 5 different kinds of sentence, which are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. We are still in assertive sentence, and we will look at the third rule today, having already explained 2 rules in the first part of this video series. On your screen is the first of the third rule. While changing from direct to indirect, the first person pronouns of reported speech such as I, me, my, mine, we, us, ours will change according to the subject of the reporting speech based on its person, number, and gender. Let us look at this example before I explain it to you on the board. He says, I have done it will be changed to he says that he has done it. Let me now explain to you on the board. Here's an example. He says, I am learning my lesson. So according to the rule, the first person pronoun in the reported speech, okay, this is our reported speech, will change according to the subject of the reporting speech. When we change it, it will become he says that. Now this I and this he is same, so according to the subject of the reporting speech, this first person pronoun in the reported speech will change. So he says that he, because it is he, we write he is learning his lesson. So my will change to his according to this, I will change to he, and this am was here because it is I. But when we turn it to he, third person singular, this auxiliary verb will automatically change to is. Okay, so this is how we change pronoun from this kind to this kind based on the subject of the reporting speech. Okay, in this example, I say I do not like the book. This I and this I is same, so what we have to do is I say that I do not like the book. So nothing will be changed, only comma and inverted commas will go away, and then we introduce the conjunction as per the rule. So this much. In this example, he says to me, I cannot understand the poem. We have slightly different reporting speech here. He says to me. We have a subject, verb, and an object. In the previous sentences, we did not have this part, but here it is included. So when this is included, then the pattern of our reporting verb, our reporting speech will change. Okay, and including this, it's going to be he tells me. So says to me will change to tells me. When you try to keep it like he says to me here also, then it doesn't become a good English. Okay, When we change, it becomes he tells me. To will simply go away from here. So he tells me that he cannot understand the poem. So not a big difference. This we have been doing it, so here also it works out. For now, basically for this particular thing I have shown you. He says to me, he tells me. The word say is replaced by tell. Let us now look at the second of the third rule. Second person pronouns, that is you, your, yours, of the reported speech will change according to the object of the reporting speech based on the person, number, and gender. As we are talking about the second person pronoun here, the second person pronoun in the reported speech. So let's see. He says to me, you are telling a lie. How we are going to change this sentence is he tells me that, the rule says that this will be affected by the object of the reporting speech. This is our reporting speech and this is our object. This being subject and this verb, this becomes our object. So this is going to be affected by the object of the reporting speech. So you are telling a lie will become that I, because this is me, this you will change to I, okay, to first person pronoun, because this is first person pronoun. So this second person pronoun will change to I, like this, okay, that I. Now this R will change to M automatically because this is I. With first person I, we have to write M. So I am telling a lie. So it's simple. We need to understand the working of the persons actually in the sentence, okay. In this example you can see I say to them, you are wrong. So this is our object in the reporting speech. So what we need to do, I tell them that. Now this is plural, so this will change to they, okay. So this second person pronoun will change to they because our object of the reporting speech is them, so it will be they. I tell them that they are wrong, okay. This is how we work out with this kind of a sentence. Let us now look at the third of the third rule. In the reported speech of the direct speech, third person pronouns such as he, she, it, they, his, her, its, their, him, them will not change when changed to direct speech. Alright, now let us see, according to our rule, if we have third person pronoun in our reported speech, then neither of this subject or object is going to affect this one. So when we change, it becomes like this. You tell me that she will remain she. It doesn't change, okay. That she does not speak English, okay. In this example, she says to him, Riju is not well. As per our rule, this is third person singular. We are not using a pronoun here. So if we are not using pronoun, then you see this she and this him and this Riju, all are three different identities. So neither of these two will affect this. It will remain same also, okay. So she tells me, she tells him, not me, sorry. She tells him that Riju is not well. Okay, so it's very simple. I hope you have understood it. These are the 3 pronoun changes pattern we have. So I have explained it to you, and probably I expect you to understand from this. And with this, I want to wind up the lesson here today, and I hope you will join me in the next videos also. Stay updated, stay tuned, and if you like the video and if you learn something at least from my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and stay updated. Thank you for watching.